Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Christine with the Crafter's Outpost. Today I am still embossing. I've been doing a lot of that lately, and I had purchased a couple of 3D folders just to see if I would like the 3D effect. This is the leaf one. This is all Tim Holtz, the Vagabond 2. And these are just some of the papers that I've been doing this morning, which you can see has a pretty good 3D effect. Depends on what your color you're using. I think the lighter colors, this was just paper bag. I think the lighter colors kind of show the 3D effect a little better. This is with the white, it does a pretty good job. And anything in a light green looks really good when you put some gold over top of it. But these are the ones that I just did. And so all you do is cut your paper down to size, and then you just put it in this machine. I already done this, but I'm just showing you for demo purpose. And it's electric, so it makes it really nice, except I got to be able to push it while I'm videotaping. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Okay, here we go. So you push it through the feed and it just goes through on its own. And then I always do a reverse. And my cutting board is getting a little warped, but anyway, you can see the effect of the 3D here. And again, it depends on what paper you're using. Like I see that the lighter color actually shows this one better. I also did some on, this is brown paper bag again, the white. I did some on this foil paper, which foil paper turns out really good. You can see, if you can see that, I'm not sure the light. There we go. I got a lot of light in my kitchen. But this, I love these. This is the flower one, and it really shows. The leaves not so much, I don't know. And I tried it on different papers. You can see that. So any foil paper turns out amazing. And then I tried to do some green. If you can see that. So it's pretty cool. It gives a pretty neat effect. 3D dimension. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.